What's wrong? Did I do something wrong?
I know what to do.
What? Hey, Dad!
Oh great, somebody mixed up my Rubik's Cube. Now I can solve it. In 3, 2, 1, and... They're so flinchy. Wait a minute, something's different. It's not being easily solved like normal. Come on. Wait. Why am I not solving it faster? Wait. That's not supposed to happen. Wait a minute. What is happening? Let me try this. Huh. That's weird. Let me try this one. No, it only got... I don't get it. Why is it not working?